underneath the wing of the jet. You can use that for an umbrella.
Yeah.
Anybody coming after us yet?
No. This is a Young Tiger Task Force, U.S. Air Force.
Well, tell us about the proud people who used to fly these things.
Yeah. One engine's lower than that other one, and that wing goes up like.
That's a bigger one right there, I think, than the other one.
Yeah.
That's a Flying Tiger Task Force.
Yeah.
U.S. Air Force. Wow. Okay, you want to read out here?
Yeah. It's a Boeing Kc 135R Stratotanker.
You go keep reading.
Has the crew 3 pilots, co-pilot and boom operator. Engine is a 4FM International F108 turbofan engines, each producing 21,634 pounds of thrust. Maximum fuel load 200,000 pounds.
200,000 pounds of fuel?
Yeah, and the maximum cargo load is 83,000 pounds. Wow.
Take a look at this engine on
This museum received the Mackay Trophy for a mission its crew flew on May the 31st, 1967. A downed U.S. Navy pilot needed rescued in Southeast Asia. 2 Navy F-8 fighters provided cover for the pilot. For several hours, 2 Navy tankers kept the F-8s fueled and flying, but the crew was dangerously low on fuel and could not make it back to the aircraft carriers. The KC-135 crew responded and refueled tankers while they simultaneously refueled the fighters. While returning to base, they fueled 2 more Navy F-4s. Okay. Wow.
Look at the engine on them things again.
Oh my goodness.
Tires.
That is a heavy. That's bigger than a semi-truck engine, isn't it?
Yeah. Look at that.
Hmm.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Underneath this jet.
Oh. I get a picture of you under the jet.
Okay, I'm underneath the jet wing.
Wave to me.
I hope they feel them good.
Wave to me. There we are.
Underneath of a big jet engine for the Army.
Yeah.
Air Force. Wow.
Wow. That's the
That
flippers
feels
on
weird.
there.
That feels weird underneath.
Is that the flippers that go up and down?
That feels weird under a 20-ton
Oh,
engine.
Yeah, that'd make a lot of noise, wouldn't it?
If that